here we are at 4 Gendalls Way. We are coming in through the back of the property. It's just at the top by St Stephen's School. You've got use of a garage just here in front of us, and then we come into the back garden of the property. So here we are. So you've got a tiered garden which then goes down and we enter into the kitchen. Here we go. And then we'll make our way through the kitchen and into the living room area. As you can see, you have got a front porch as well to the front of the property. And then here is the front. So you've got shared steps with next door, and then once again a front tier garden which will all need to be maintained. There we go. So we'll go back into the house. I've got one upstairs. So upstairs you've got the smaller of the 2 bedrooms to the back of the property. There we go. And then you've got the family bathroom just in here. Shower overhead. And then we make our way into the master bedroom, which is at the front of the property, and in which you've got a built-in wardrobe. You can just see, here we go.